Hello students, today I am going to show you the maluf. The maluf is a Lebanese cabbage roll, that is the stuffed Lebanese cabbage roll. It is made by the lightly cooked cabbage and the mixture of the rice and the minced beef. But guys, beef is banned in India, so we use in this recipe for minced chicken, and also we use the spices, that is the different type of the spices like whole spices, the mixture of the 5 spices like bay leaf and the black peppercorn, clove and Szechuan pepper. The Szechuan pepper is a Mexican basically, but today we are not having a Mexican pepper, so we use a normal pepper and the salt pepper. That is the stuffed cabbage roll. So guys, let's see. Right now I'm going to show you the ingredients which are required of the Lebanese stuffed cabbage roll. So first I'm going to show you the ingredients, like see a minced chicken. But guys, this stuffed cabbage roll is made by the minced meat, beef, but beef is banned in India, so we use a minced chicken. The next ingredients is 5 spices powder. This is the 5 spices mixture like star anise, clove, cinnamon stick, and the Szechuan peppercorn. The last is fennel seed. The first we will roast all spices into the pan, the dry roasting. After that we will cool, and after that we will grind into the mixture so that become into the fine paste. Let's see. This is the 5 spices powder. And another ingredient is salt. Then another ingredient is white pepper powder. If you're not having a white pepper powder, so you can use black pepper powder. Then another ingredient is oregano. That is the good flavor of this dish. Then another ingredient is garlic. Then tomato paste. Olive oil. Soak rice. I already soaked the rice before making of the 1 hour into the bottle. And another ingredient is cabbage. And the guys, garnish for you can use fresh mint. Yeah, you can use a fresh parsley. This is the parsley. And we also use garnish for the colorful cabbage, that is the Chinese cabbage for garnish. So these are the ingredients for making of the Lebanese stuffed cabbage. So you can see that's are the preparations. So first we need a cabbage and the knife. So the guys, first of all we will remove the bottom of the cabbage from here with the knife. The bottom of the cabbage we will remove. You can see. So you can see, first we remove the bottom of the cabbage. You can see this. So after that we will boil the cabbage into the water so that can be removed easily her leaf. Guys, first we need a saucepan. So first switch on the gas. Then we will put the saucepan into the gas. Now I'm going to add some water into the pan. Again I want to add water into the pan. So the guys, first we boil the water, at least when the water is getting first bubble. Then you keep the gas flame is slow, then we will put the cabbage into that. I already told you that first we will boil the cabbage into the boiling water so that we can remove the leaves easily of the cabbage. So guys, first we need this type of saucepan. So first switch on the gas. Then put the saucepan into the gas. Then I'm going to add some water into the saucepan. Again I'm going to add some water. So the guys, first we boil the water into the gas at least a 90 to a 95 degree. When the water is getting first bubble, then you keep the gas flame is slow. Then we will put the cabbage into particularly in 1 minute. After that we will remove the cabbage so that the cabbage leaf is easily removed. So first we will boil the water at least a 90 to a 95 degree. When the water is getting first bubble, then keep the gas flame is slow. Then we will put the cabbage into particular time, that is the 1 minute. So now the bubbling is start. You can see guys. So now the bubbling is start. So now keep the gas flame is slow. Keep the gas flame is slow. Then I will put the cabbage into the water at least a 1 minute. You can see we will cook the cabbage at least a 1 minute so that the cabbage leaf easily we will remove. So the guys, while our cabbage is boiling, so by the time we will make a stuffing of the cabbage. So let's see. So guys, let's start the stuffing of the Lebanese cabbage roll. So first we need this type of bowl. You take any kind of the bowl. So first we will put soap rice into the bowl. Then I'm going to add chopped garlic. Then I'm going to add white pepper powder as per taste. Approximately 10 gram. And I'm going to add salt. Approximately 10 gram. Then I'm going to add 5 spices powder. 8 gram. Then I'm going to add oregano, that is a good flavor of this dish. Then I'm going to add minced chicken. I already told you that when I was making of this dish. So actually this dish made by the minced meat, but today we are not having a beef, so we can use a chicken, the minced chicken. Because the beef is banned in India, so that we can use a minced chicken. And the last is we can add olive oil. So sometimes you can use lemon juice and mix well. Make sure that your mixture is proper mixed, so that the all spices get well into the rice. So you can see this is the mixture of the Lebanese stuffed cabbage roll. So now guys, you can see the 1 minute is complete. So cabbage is completely cooked. So till time we will remove the cabbage into the water with the helping of skimmer, the perforated spoon, put into the colander. You can see. So after boiling, we will remove the cabbage leaf. You can see. Be carefully guys, do not break the cabbage leaves. So guys, take a look of the cabbage leaf after peeling.
One.
So guys, now the timing is stuffing. So the first we will mix the tomato paste into the stuff. That is the tomato paste, and mix well. And after that we will stuff into the cabbage, like see. First we will put some mixture into the cabbage roll, and you can see how we will do the roll. We will do the rolling. So you can see how to look. Now this another seed we will do the same. First we will put the seed into the chopping board. After that we will put some mixture into the cabbage roll, and again we will do the same rolling like this. And you can see again the same to do. We will put again mixture, again we will rolling and keep in this side. Again we will do the same thing. And roll it. You can see my hand. You can see. So guys, let's start the direct process of steaming. Guys, first we need a saucepan. So first switch on the gas. And we will put the saucepan into the gas range. So now we will put the cabbage leaf into the saucepan. You can see. So that the stuffed cabbage should not be sticky to the bottom of the saucepan. That's why I am putting the cabbage leaf into the saucepan. You can see. Then I'm going to add a little bit of oil. I already told you that the stuffed cabbage should be not sticky to the bottom of the saucepan. Then I'm going to add garlic clove so that it's giving the good flavor. You can see. Now I will put the stuffed cabbage roll into the saucepan. I'm going to add a little bit more of the tomato paste so that it will flavor. Then again I'm going to add oregano. This is the good flavor of this dish. Then again I'm going to add a little bit of salt and white pepper powder. This is the white pepper. Then I want to add salt, little bit of salt. And again I want to add a little bit of the 5 spices powder. So now the time we will mix the water into the mixture. So guys, now cover the saucepan with lid until the water gets soaked. So now guys, let's remove the lids and we will check our stuff is cooked or not. Oh yes, that is cooked. You can see. Okay guys, the time for plating. So before plating, we make a beetroot paste and the carrot paste. So you can see, let's see how do we plating. So guys, you now when I will serve the food, so the plating is well present. So the first I put a beetroot on one side of the platter. Let's see. And after that we do like this. And after that we will put the carrot paste here. You can see. And after that we will do like this. This is the very thick paste, you can see. After that we will put stuffed cabbage roll into the platter. You can see. And after that we will spread fresh parsley. This is the fresh parsley. And the last we will squeeze the lemon juice on the top of cabbage roll, so that is the tangy flavor. And after inside we will put the colorful cabbage. So you can see the presentation of the Lebanese stuffed cabbage roll. Thank you guys.